Are you tired of hearing that affiliate marketing only works for experienced marketers? Think again. In this video, I'm sharing my personal journey of how I started from scratch and proved that affiliate marketing can be successful even with no prior experience or resources. From choosing the right niche to creating high-converting content, I'll show you the exact strategies I use to generate real income online. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to scale your affiliate marketing business, this video is for you. So, if you're ready to stop making excuses and start making money, watch until the end and get ready to take action. I proved that affiliate marketing works even if you start from nothing. With no prior experience, no large budget, and no existing audience, I built a system that generated real results. I focused on the right strategies, leveraged free traffic sources, and stayed consistent. Over time, the effort paid off, proving that anyone willing to learn and take action can succeed in affiliate marketing. Did you know you can earn money online without any upfront investment? Affiliate marketing has helped people generate thousands, even millions, of dollars, all by promoting products they don't own. I started with nothing. No experience, no audience, and no budget. But by using the right strategies, leveraging free traffic sources, and staying consistent, I proved that affiliate marketing works. If you're willing to learn and take action, you can achieve real results too. Did you know you can earn money online without any upfront investment? Affiliate marketing has helped people generate thousands, even millions, of dollars just by promoting products they don't own. It's one of the most accessible ways to make money online because you don't need to create a product, handle inventory, or deal with customer service. Affiliate marketing works by earning commissions when people purchase through your referral links. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to grow an online income, this business model offers unlimited potential. I started with nothing, no experience, no audience, and no budget. But by using the right strategies, leveraging free traffic sources, and staying consistent, I proved that anyone can succeed in affiliate marketing. If you're willing to learn and take action, you can achieve real results too. It's one of the most accessible ways to make money online because you don't need to create a product, handle inventory, or deal with customer service. Affiliate marketing is often seen as this elusive online opportunity that only a select few can tap into. But I'm here to tell you that's just not true. Anyone, regardless of their starting point, can get involved and succeed in affiliate marketing. It's an industry that's grown exponentially over the years, and it's more accessible than ever. With the right mindset and strategy, you can start from zero and build a profitable online business. One of the biggest misconceptions about affiliate marketing is that you need a ton of money to get started. People think you need to invest in fancy software, expensive courses, or a team of experts just to get your foot in the door. But the truth is, you can start affiliate marketing with little to no budget. I know because I've done it myself. You can start by creating valuable content, building an audience, and promoting products that you're passionate about. The cost? Zero. Another myth is that affiliate marketing is only for tech-savvy individuals who know how to code or build websites from scratch. But I'm living proof that's not true. I didn't know the first thing about building a website when I started, but I learned as I went along. And you can too. There are so many resources available online that can guide you through the process, from website builders to affiliate marketing courses. You don't need to be a tech expert to succeed in this industry. Yet, many people hesitate to start because of common misconceptions. Some believe you need a large budget to get started, but the truth is, many successful affiliates begin with free traffic sources like social media, blogging, and SEO. Others think it's too late to get involved, assuming the market is oversaturated. In reality, affiliate marketing continues to grow, with new products, niches, and opportunities emerging all the time. I proved that success in affiliate marketing is possible for anyone. If you're willing to learn and take action, you can achieve real results too. Did you know you can earn money online without any upfront investment? Affiliate marketing has helped people generate thousands, even millions, of dollars just by promoting products they don't own. It's one of the most accessible ways to make money online because you don't need to create a product, handle inventory, or deal with customer service. When I first discovered affiliate marketing, I had no money to invest, no audience, and no experience in online business. The idea of making commissions by promoting products sounded incredible, but I quickly realized that success wouldn't come overnight. The biggest challenge was figuring out where to start. I didn't have a website, a large social media following, or an email list. So, I focused on building from the ground up using free resources and organic traffic strategies. I knew I needed to focus on a niche that had demand and products with good commission potential. Instead of chasing high-ticket products right away, I picked a niche I was genuinely interested in: online business and passive income. This made it easier to create content and stay motivated. Without money for ads, I had to get creative with free traffic methods. I consumed as much information as possible through YouTube tutorials, blog posts, and free courses. Instead of getting stuck in learning mode, I took action and tested different strategies. I started a blog using free platforms like Medium and Blogger, where I wrote articles reviewing affiliate products and sharing tips related to my niche. Blogging helped me rank on search engines over time, bringing in organic traffic without spending a dime. Since I didn't have a website at first, I turned to social media. I created TikTok and YouTube accounts, posting short-form videos about making money online. These videos gained traction quickly, driving traffic to my affiliate links. Consistency and engaging content were key. I made sure every video provided value and ended with a call to action. I learned how to find low-competition keywords using free tools like Ubersuggest and Google's Keyword Planner. By targeting these keywords in my blog posts and YouTube descriptions, I started ranking for searches that brought in consistent, passive traffic. One of the biggest struggles was staying motivated when I wasn't seeing immediate results. It took months before I made my first commission, but instead of giving up, I kept refining my approach. Some key lessons I learned: don't rely on just one platform. I diversified my traffic sources, using both social media and blogging to reach different audiences. Engage with your audience. I responded to comments, joined Facebook groups, and built trust by offering free value before promoting anything. Test different affiliate programs. Some programs had low commissions or delayed payments, so I focused on high-converting, recurring commission offers. Once I started making small commissions, I reinvested my earnings into better tools and automation. I built an email list using free email marketing services like MailerLite, allowing me to follow up with leads and increase conversions. I also set up automated content systems, repurposing my TikTok videos into YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels to maximize exposure without extra work. Over time, my efforts compounded. My content started ranking, my audience grew, and commissions became more consistent. What started as a side hustle with no budget turned into a reliable income stream. If you're just starting, remember, you don't need money to begin, but you do need consistency, patience, and a willingness to learn. If I could prove that affiliate marketing works from nothing, so can you. The key steps I took included choosing a niche I was passionate about, leveraging free traffic sources like blogging and social media, and learning valuable skills like SEO and content marketing. I stayed consistent, tested different strategies, and focused on building relationships with my audience. Over time, these efforts led to consistent commissions. The biggest takeaway is that anyone can succeed in affiliate marketing with dedication, the right strategies, and persistence. You don't need a big budget or extensive experience to get started, just a willingness to learn, take action, and stay focused on your goals. If I can do it, so can you. I'd love to hear your thoughts on affiliate marketing. Do you think it's something you'd want to try? Or maybe you've already started and have some tips to share. Drop a comment below. I'm excited to read your thoughts and answer any questions you might have. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips, strategies, and insights on how to succeed in affiliate marketing and online business. I've got plenty more content coming your way to help you take your journey to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.